In this video, I will explain about the activity 2 from our textbook. In the activity 1, we discussed about the least distance of distinct vision of a healthy person is 25 centimeters. And from this value is changes from persons to person and depends on his health condition also. Now in activity 2, for example, when you place an object at a distance of 25 centimeters, can you able to see the top and the bottom of the whole object, or the top both ends of the object? Means at a distance of 25 centimeters, are you able to see the whole object or not? For this, we have to do an activity that I am going to explain. For this, you take one retort stand. So here I am taking a retort stand, and this retort stand has a horizontal rod. So you fix this horizontal rod by using a clamp. Now, for this activity, we required pipes. So either you can collect the PVC pipes, which we are using this PVC pipes for the electric wiring purpose, or otherwise if you go to the cloth stores, the clothes are rolled to the paper rollers. So either you collect that cloth rollers, any you can collect it, and you cut those rollers in the size wise, 25 centimeters, 30 30 centimeters, 35 centimeters, like that you collect it. 25 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 35 centimeters and 40 centimeters, like that you collect that what is that rods, PVC pipes. Okay, now for this activity two are required. So one, for the person whose least distance of distinct vision is checking, for that person should stand beside this vertical rod, and his vision should be, his or her vision should be straight along with this horizontal rod, while seeing that object. The person should not bend his head, he should not lift or bend his head. Okay, the person's vision should be straight along this horizontal rod. Now take 25 centimeters of that PVC pipe or the cloth roller, that you take it and you adjust. Ask your friend to place this PVC pipe at what distance that you can comfortably see. Suppose if your friend places here at a distance of 25 centimeters, when you place the length of 25 centimeters of this PVC pipe, then can that person able to see the top and the bottom of that rod? Observe. Okay, so if the person is unable to see at a distance of 25 centimeters, then you adjust that pipe either to bring forward or backward. Adjust at what distance the person can comfortably see the top and the bottom of the whole object without changing the position of the eye head towards this horizontal. For example, if I can comfortably see the whole object at a distance of 25 centimeters. So I am here to see this top and bottom of the object. The light rays from the extreme ends should reach to our eye. Suppose here you are watching the object here. So while watching, or otherwise I will draw here. So extreme ends of the object, the light rays should reach to your eye. Should reach to your eye. If it reaches the light rays at your eye, they make an angle. They make an angle. That angle will call it as angle of vision. That will call it as angle of vision. And that if you measure that angle, its value is 60 degrees. Its value is 60 degrees. For a healthy person, when an object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters, for that person the angle of vision is exactly about 60 degrees. Is exactly about 60 degrees. This is very, very important for 1 mark. Or in bits also, they asked so many times, what is the angle of vision for a healthy person? 60 degrees. What is the least distance of distinct vision of a healthy person? That is 25 centimeters. Now, okay, after completing this, suppose if the object is placed either nearer to that, below the 25 centimeters or far from the 25 centimeters, then how does that object looks? That we'll discuss now. Suppose for a healthy person, they can see that the hole. Suppose for the healthy person, if I place an object, the same length of object at a distance, same length of an object at more than 25 centimeter and at the same time less than 25 centimeters, then how does the object looks for that person? For example, for a person, both the ends reach to the eye and it makes an angle of 60 degrees. Okay. Now for this, when you place far also, that ends are reaching. So you can able to see the whole object. Okay. But when you place an object nearer, means less than 25 centimeters, the ends, extreme ends of that rays, they are not reaching to your eye. The extreme ends of the rays are not reaching to your eye. And only the part of this object, means this part only is reaching to your eye. Means only the part of the object only you can see when you place less than 25 centimeters or nearer that one. Okay. So at a distance of 25 centimeters, you will get an angle of 60 degrees. For example, when you place an object nearer, nearer means then what happens? The angle increases. The angle is increases. It may be above 60 degrees. It is above 60 degrees. When you place an object far from the 25 centimeters, you will get sometimes for some persons it is below 60 degrees. It is below 60 degrees. Now the same activity you have to replace that PVC pipes. Here we took only 25 centimeters only. Now take 30 centimeters, 35 centimeters and 40 centimeters and place it and do the same. Can you see the whole object or not? You check it. So same, this is the clamp. Actually for the 25 centimeters at this place you comfortably can see the whole part, top and bottom. So replace this 25 centimeters PVC pipe and at the same place you fix 30 centimeters PVC pipe and you see the object and then replace it and find out 35 centimeters and you see. Like that you do that. But in all the cases, you can see the object at a distance of a 25 centimeters, and the angle formed is about 60 degrees. About 60 degrees. So this is for only a healthy person. This is for only a healthy person. If the angle is below 60 degrees, now just I will read it. The rays coming from the extreme ends of the object, extreme ends of an object form an angle at the eye. Just I said, you know, this, it forms an angle. If this angle is below 60, we can see the whole object. Very important. If is about 60 or below 60, we can see the whole object. When you place an object here, the same object, if you place an object, then you can see the whole object. You can see the whole object like this. Full, you can see that. So if it is below or above 60, you can see the whole object. If the angle is above 60 degrees, means when you place the object nearer, means only a part of it forms an angle. It is above 60 degrees, then we can see the part of the object. Then we can see the part of the object. Like this, with the different or otherwise 2, 3 form a group and do this activity and find out the least distance of distinct vision and the angle of vision. We'll find out. Okay, you can, so this is very important, 25 centimeters and 60 degrees. Thank you.